Alright, I want to talk about urban compost real quick. So, this method is what I'm using. I mean, it's compost, so it's messy, right? But I wanted to talk about, like, how I'm actually doing it. So, I take a small bag, small paper bag. Use these paper bags, probably, urban environment. Take my citrus, right, what I'm composting today. Okay, throw it in there. But then I'll show you the next thing, right? So, like, when I get this kind of like, like halfway, 3/4 filled up, I'm gonna break it down and get it inside another bag. Gotta fit them a little bit. I kind of tore that one, right? Okay, let's pretend I didn't tear it though. So, like, then maybe I'd put a little bit more compost in the top there. And then eventually, right, I'm gonna put it in a bigger bag. And probably, like, compost some of this on there. And then, like, fold this whole thing up. And then probably, like, plop that inside another bag and put some more compost on there. Then what I'm gonna do is go throw that right in my urban compost pile. Okay, not too fancy, but I hope that gave somebody some realistic idea on how to do urban compost.